Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are enjoying, and as it is our new way of learning, so let's continue. Today I am going to teach you first chapter, that is large numbers. Okay, so in this large numbers our first topic is place value chart. So in place value chart there are two systems of place value chart. First is Indian system and second is Western system, or we can say that international system. Okay, so now how we use or how we show Indian system chart. In Indian system charts there are total 4 periods. What are 4 periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, what are the 4 periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. Okay, now all these 4 periods are subdivided into different places. So in ones there are 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. In thousands there are 2 places, 1000 and 10,000. In lakhs there are 2 places, lakhs and 10 lakhs. And lastly in crores there are 2 places, that is crores and 10 crores. So in this way the Indian system is divided into 4 periods, and each period is divided into different places. Now we will try to solve the different types of question based on this Indian system. So the first type of question which we get is write the number name. Okay, you have given one number and you have to write down it in words or in the number name form. So this is the value or this is the number which we have given. So when we used to write this in Indian system, we always start putting the numbers from the right hand side. What is the first number? The first digit which you get is 4. So we will put it in the ones column, that is we will write here 4. Second is 9, put it in the tens column, that is 9. Then comes 4, put it in 100 columns. In this way we will continue, that is 2, that will come in thousands column, 8, 10,000s column, 7, lakhs column, 6, 10 lakhs column, 5 in crores column, and lastly 8, that is in 10 crores column. Okay, so now we have put the value in this Indian system chart. Now we will write it down in the number name form. So how we will write? We will start from here: 85 crores, 67 lakhs, 82,494. Okay, so we will write it down 85 crores. Okay, that is 85 crore, 67 lakh, 67 lakh, 82,000, 82,000, and last 494, that is 494. Okay, so we have written 85 crore, 67 lakh, 82,494. And now always remember one thing: when we put the values in Indian system, then each period is separated by commas. After every period you have to give comma. Just like in the crores there are 2 places. Okay, so after 2 places you will put comma. Here see it is 85. So how we will write? 85 crore, comma, then 67 lakh, so 67 lakh, again put comma, 82,000, 82,000, again put comma, and lastly 494, that is 494. Okay, so in this way you have to write the given number in the number name. The second question which we get in this concept is that you have given the numeral, you have given the number name and you have to write it in the numerals form. So what is the number given? 53 crore, 8 lakh, 6,903. Okay, so in this also, when we solve this question, we first have to draw the Indian system chart, and in Indian system chart, we see here it is 53 crore. Okay, so in this crores column there are two places and we have given number 53. So we will write here 53. Okay, next is 8 lakh. Okay, in lakhs there are two columns, 10 lakhs and lakhs. But what we have given? We have given 8 lakhs. So we will, in the lakhs column we will write here 8. So in the 10 lakhs column what we will write? 0, because there is no value, no number is given. Okay, then let's continue. That is 6,000. Again in the thousands column there are two places, 10,000 and 1,000, but we have given 6,000. So we will put here thousands column 6 and 10,000 will be 0. And last is 903. Okay, so in the hundreds column it is 9. And this 3 is in ones column. There is no value for tens column. So we will put here 3. That is 903. Okay. So this way we can arrange the number. Now if we have to write it down in the numerals form. Okay. So in the numerals form using commas. I have already told you using commas you have to write down. So again put after every period put commas. So 53 crore. Okay. 53 crore comma. Then lakhs, 8 lakhs, 0, 8, 8 lakhs, and thousands, 0, 6, 6,000s, and last is 903. Okay, so in this way you have to change the number name into the numeral. Okay, this is the second type of question which you get. And lastly we will come to the question that is find the place value of a digit in a numeral. You have given one number and you will be asked to find the place value for that digit. Just like for example I have taken here the number, okay, and in this the 3 is underlined. That means you have to find out the place value of 3. So what will be the place value of 3? Here ones, tens, 100. So 3 is in which position? It is in 100 positions. Okay, so it will be 300, or you can see 3. You can say that 300. Okay, we can take another example in the same question. If we have to find out the value of 4, if we have to find out the place value of 4, then what will be the place value of this 4? Again count it, ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. That is 4 is in which column? 10,000. Okay, so that is 4, 10,000. Okay, that means how much? 40,000. Okay. The second system which we are reading is the Western system or international system. In this we have total 3 periods, that is millions, thousands and ones, and each period is divided into 3 places. Okay, here the ones period is divided into 3 places, that is ones, tens and 100. Then thousands is divided into 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. And last millions is divided into 3 places, that is 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, so this is about Western system. Now we will solve some questions based on this concept. The first type of question is write the number name. Again in this you have given the number and you have to write the number name, and this is the number which you have given. So again we will start with the right hand side digit, that is 8. So 8 will come in the ones position, then 1 that will come in tens, 3 in hundreds place, 8 in thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place, 6 in 100,000 place, 5 in millions place, and the last one is 5 that is in 10 millions place. Okay, so we have submitted or we have completed the chart. Now we have to arrange or write down that in the number name. So how we will write? See, it is 55 and this column is millions column. So we will write 55 million. What we will write? 55 million. So it is 55 million Next is 63 and this is thousands column. So 638, sorry. Okay, so this is 6 is in hundreds position, 3 is in 10,000 position, 8 is in 1,000 position. So 638,000. Okay, 638 and the whole column is of 1,000, so it is 1,000. Okay, 638,000. We have completed this column. Now the last one is 318. Okay, 318. So it is 318. Okay, we have completed or we have written it in the number name form, and again if we have to divide it using the commas, then after how many periods we will give comma? For million after 3 places, for 1,000 after 3 places, and for ones also for 3 places. So if we will put here commas, then what this number will be? This number will be 55 millions, comma 638,000, comma 380. Okay, so in international system or western system, each period is separated by commas after every 3 places. Just like in Indian system, we have separated every period by commas in the 2 places. Here it will separate it by 3 places. Okay, this is one type of question. The another type of question which we get is write the numeral. Okay, so you have given the numeral 35,006,407. Okay, this is the number which you have given and you have to write it down in the numeral form. So how we will write? This is 35 million. In the millions column, how many places we have? 1, 2 and 3 places. So it is given 35. Okay, 35. So 30 means in tens place. So 3 and 5, that is 35 millions 6,000. Okay, 6,407. Okay, this 6 is given in which column? Thousands column. So we will put it in thousands column. Okay, now 407. So it is very easy. 4 is in 100 column, 407. See here, there are 2 vacant or 2 blank places. So what we will put there? We will put there 0. Okay, so now how we will read it? Now it becomes 35 millions, okay, 6,407. Now we will write it in using our commas. So 35 millions, comma 006, that is 1,000, 6,000, and the last one is 407. Okay, so in this way we will write it down. This is our second type of question, and the third type of question which we get is write in expanded form. You have given one number and you have to write it down in the expanded form. So first of all, the number which we get, we will put it in the Indian system of numeration and then we will write. So I have told you as how it is write it from the right hand side. So it will be 5, 1, 7, 5, 6, 2, 8 and 4. Okay, now what it becomes? 4 crores 82 lakhs 65,715. Okay, what it becomes? 4 crores 82 lakhs 65,715. Now we have to write it in expanded form. Expanded form, it means you have to write their place values. Okay, so 4 is in which position? Crore position. So 4 multiplied by 1 crore, that will be 4 crores. Okay, okay, count it: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crores. Okay, so we get 4 crores. Now plus 8 is in which position? 10 lakhs. That means how much? 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs. Okay, now comes 2. 2 is in which position? Lakhs position. So plus 2 lakhs. Okay, now again what we get? 10,000. So in 10,000 what we have? Number or the digit 6. So we will again write plus 6 means 10,000, that is 60,000. Then 5 is in thousand position, so plus 5,000. Okay, then 7 is in which position? 100, so it is plus 700. 1 in tens place, so that is 1 into 10 is 10, and the last one is in 5 is in ones position, so plus 5. So this is the expanded form of the number 4,82,65,715. So let's start with the next topic, that is comparison of numbers. Okay, so in this, for the comparison there are two rules. We will study the first rule, that is rule 1. The number having more digit is greater. Okay, if any number is having more digit, that number will be greater. Okay, we will try to understand this with an example. See here, if I take any number 4,517 and other number, that is 325. Now if we compare the digits here, okay, how many digits are here? 1, 2 and 3 digits. And how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's obvious that 4 digit number will be greater than 3 digit number. So we can say that 4,517 is greater than 325. Okay, so this is the easiest way. First you check for the digits, and the number having more number of digits will be greater number. Okay, now we will see the second rule. What is the rule 2? If both the numbers have same number of digits, then compare leftmost digit. What if both the number are having the same number of digits? Then how can we say that which is greater? So for this, what we have to do? We have to compare the two numbers using their different digits. Okay, just like see here, we have to start with the leftmost digit. Okay, we have to start with leftmost digit. So what is the leftmost digit here? 9, and here it is also 9. So if we compare, we get 9, and here that is equals to 9. Okay, so both are same, we cannot conclude which is greater. We will move to the next digit. What is the next digit? 5. Here what is the next digit? 5. Oh, that is also a problem. Now what we do? We move to the next digit. 2. Here it is 2. Here it is again 2. Oh God. Now what? So let's continue. We have next digit as 8. So it is 8, and here comes what? 7. Okay, now we got two different digits. Now can we conclude which is greater? Yes, obvious. 8 is greater than 7. 8 is greater than 7. So from this we can conclude that number 1 is greater than number 2. Okay, then what is the first number? This number. Okay, we will write number 1. 95 crores 28 lakhs 10,935 will be greater than 95 crores 27 lakhs 40,985. Okay, I hope these rules are clear to you. It's very easy. First rule, if the number having more number of digit, then that will be the biggest number. In the second, if we get the same number of digit, we will continue checking for the leftmost digit. Okay, leftmost digit, we will start with the leftmost digit and we will continue in this way until we get the two different numbers. Okay, now let's move to another topic, that is addition on large numbers. Okay, all of you have done addition of 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number. Okay, but what if we have large numbers? Okay, sometimes we make mistakes. So how to do this large numbers addition? First, what should we do? Count here: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, so we will write here 10 lakhs, lakhs, 10,000s, thousands, okay, then what, hundreds, tens and ones, okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh, okay. Now we will put the values here, okay, and whenever we put values, I have told you always put from the right hand side, that is your 5 is in ones position, 1 tens, 3 100, 0 1000, 9 10,000, 8 lakhs and 6 10 lakhs, okay. This is the first number which we have put. We have to do what? We have to do addition. We have another number, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. But what we do, we start writing from the left hand side. So there we got done mistake. So what we have to do, we have to always write from the left hand side, okay, this side, okay. So we will put here what? 5, 2, 4, 9, 3 and 7, okay. So in this way we have to always put the values from right hand side to the left hand side. If we will put values from left hand side, then what you will do, you will write this 7 below this 6 and you will get wrong result, okay. So now we will do the addition, okay, we will do the addition. 5 plus 5 is 10, we get carry 1. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 4 is 7, 0 plus 9 will give you 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 1 will be carry. So this what we get, 8, 9, 9 and 7, 16, okay, again 1 carry and 6 plus 1 will be 7. So in this way we can do addition of large numbers, okay. In the same way we can do the subtraction. Here I have taken one example, just look here, subtraction on large numbers. So subtract 6,45,928 from 20,85,725, okay. So which number you will write first, this number or this number? Yes, we will write this number because this is the biggest number, okay, and it is written that you have to subtract this number from this number. So we will write here 20 lakhs, okay, 85,725, okay. You can make also here also 10 lakhs, lakh, like this I have done in, you can do it in subtraction also, okay. Now another number, 6,45,928, start writing from this side, 8, 2, 9, 5, 4 and 6, okay. That means in ones place you will get both the ones digit, in tens place you will get both the tens digit. In this fashion we will continue. Now do the subtraction. Okay, so we are doing this subtraction, 5 minus 8, it is not possible, so we will make it as 15. Now we can do the subtraction, 15 minus 8, so 15 minus 8 will be what? 7. Now this we get as 2 and 2, okay, here what we get it as 9, after subtraction we get it as 9, and here 7 minus 9 not possible, again we can take the borrow from the next digit and we will do the subtraction. So again what we get here? 7, okay. Now let's continue here again. So what we will get here? Here we will get 9, okay, and here 8 minus 3, okay, 8 minus 5, here we have taken the borrow, so 8 minus 5, here we will be getting 3, okay. And then in the same fashion if we will continue next, what we will get? We will get here 4 and here it will be 1. So this is the final result which we are getting, that is 14,39,797, okay. So I hope all these concepts are clear to you. So thanks for watching the video.